Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have admin rights and a created pixel. Now start assigning it to the ad account. First, open Business Settings, then go to Data Sources and select Pixels. Once done, pick the pixel you want to use and click Assign Partners or Assign Ad Accounts. Make sure to choose the correct ad account ID. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the label. This immediate start avoids backtracking and gets you into the permission steps straight away. Next, grant access and configure permissions for the pixel. You'll select the ad account and assign roles. Give manage if they'll edit settings, or view if they only need analytics. Once chosen, confirm the pixel sharing level. Full access allows edits, partial only reporting. Then, return to Events Manager and verify the ad account appears under Connected Assets. If your platform shows a pending state, follow prompts to accept or resend the invite to speed completion. Finish by validating the pixel and testing events so conversions will attribute correctly. Use test events to trigger sample interactions, and make sure you see live receipts in Events Manager. If the pixel doesn't appear or events don't fire, recheck that you hold Business Manager admin, confirm the ad account ID, and ensure the pixel isn't owned by another business manager. As a quick fix, remove and reassign the pixel or resend access invites, then rerun test events to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.